Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So it looks like someone is doing like a tile design here. Oh wow, what a cool side table idea. Absolutely love this. And then we have someone making a photo wall piece. So this is like one of those hanging designs and you put your photos on it. Great way to showcase your favorite photos. And this is definitely like an easy beginner-friendly project, nothing too complicated. Oh, so cute. And then she does add some little floral pieces here. I think those are baby breath, if I'm not mistaken. But I love that little element that she added. Very cool design. And then of course, this is gonna hang on your wall. So cute. And then we have someone making these flower pieces. So I'm not sure what this material is that she is using. But I can't believe that she was able to make like flowers out of this. This is just crazy to me. It looks like maybe some type of dish sponge of some sort maybe. So she made like some really pretty sunflowers, added some wire. Wow, such a cool design. And then we have someone decorating their entryway. So she has a really long entryway here. And she basically doubled up her items. Oh, she's showing us 7 different ways to do it. Okay, I love this. One with the chair. You could also do a bench. That would be cute. Very nice. I think I like both ways. So then we have someone making a wine rack. So obviously this is not a beginner-friendly project. And you would have to either know how to work with wood yourself or know someone who can. But I love the design of this. I'd be afraid that this would fall off the wall though, and then the wine would like break. It doesn't look very like sturdy. So then we have someone doing like this citrus inspired centerpiece. This just looks like it would smell amazing. Like it would bring such a nice fragrance to the home. You could also do it with the lemons too. Alright, so then we have some DIY built-ins. If you want to make your own built-ins, get some pieces from IKEA. Unless you know how to work with wood like this lady, because she's just making her own. And built-ins will instantly elevate a space. Like it'll make it look so high-end. Oh, she painted it like a peachy color. That is pretty. So nice. She did an amazing job. Wow, look at these stairs. Oh wow, this person's house looks so whimsical and fun. Look at all this pink. It's almost like Barbie's dream house or something. Like, it just looks so girly. Like, honestly, reminds me of Barbie's dream house. I cannot wait to see that movie, by the way. I loved Barbie growing up. Okay, so we have some kind of, looks like they're using like a shiny tile design. It almost looks like jewels, like it looks like jewelry, like it's really pretty. I've never seen anything like this before. Wow. Oh, you could have some fun with these. Those are so cool. So then we have this DIY wall design. So she's using contact paper for this. Saran wrap. Oh, that's for the texture. Wow. That's an amazing idea. Spray painting saran wrap, and it really is in a nice texture. You could also use foil too. I think the saran wrap is more of a smoother surface. Designer inspired wall art. Gold and whites. Yes, loving it already. So she has the frame here. Wow, all she did was paint it gold, and that looks amazing. Like, that would be probably like $40 at the store. Seriously. What a great idea. Make your own artwork. So here we have some spray foam, some little mirrors. Wow. Oh, another high-end wall art piece. Very cool. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY projects with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.